Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone's doing well. I've got a project share for Scrap Diva Designs. You can find all her die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com. You can also get a 10% discount off of your entire purchase using my discount code PRISTRAMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have this really cute 3D hot cocoa gift pouch. It's really great for gift giving during this winter time. It's like super cold out there, so we have this gift pouch that's shaped like a mug, and then you have hot cocoa to get you all warmed up for the season. And this paper collection is also from the Scrap Diva Designs Holiday Magic Paper Collection, so it's perfect for this season. We have these two cute people wearing really warm clothes, and it's so cozy looking with the hot cocoa cup, and these are the ephemera pieces for that collection. And I really love how it's like drippy here. And then we have the spoon with the two little marshmallows with some chocolate dipping here, and then the hot cocoa word has the background piece as well. So this is a really nice gift, and I've added two hot cocoa pouches in here, and there are two different mixes, flavors. We have the Aero S'mores and the After 8 hot chocolate mix, and the sizes of these are like approximately less than 5 inches by 2 and close to 2.5 inches, or a little bit more. So that's the size of that, and yeah, you can fit it in here. 2 fits nicely. You could probably squeeze in another 3 and add some more things in here. Doesn't necessarily have to be hot cocoa. You can put like pens and notepads, all the different doodads. It's such a great gift. So yeah, so this is the 3D hot cocoa gift pouch. And next up we have this really amazing candy cane mini album. This candy cane mini album is using the same Scrap Diva Designs Holiday Magic Paper Collection. Isn't this adorable? These candy canes are coming from a tag set, and then these paper flowers are the winter flower set. And so what it comes with is this candy cane, these two candy canes that are shaped into a heart, and you can use these candy canes on its own, and it has this layering piece here, and I believe it comes with this piece here. And then we have these really nice binder rings for them that I've included, and I also included a ribbon here. It's just so pretty with the seed beads that I've added in between here to make it into a shaker. You don't have to make it into a shaker, but it's really cool looking. And then let's open it up. I made like 3 pages, and it's like enough page for like maybe a 2x3 photo and some more decorated items that could go in there. And yeah, I just love this really pretty heart-shaped candy cane mini album. And let's tie this back up. We're gonna go to our next items here. We have this really cute, I really love this, candy bag shakers. There's 2 sizes, one small and one big, and it has 2 different phrases: candy mix and cookies mix. I didn't use the mix in this cookie mix. And so yeah, it's really cool. This candy mix includes these bunnies and this little candy here, and so I made a chocolate bunny and a white chocolate bunny here, and then I've added these really cool charms. And yeah, it's so cool. These shakers are so cool. And yeah, so it has a bigger wording for the bigger bags. And so here's the cookie mix, and then the cookie mix comes with this round circular cookie with a smaller circular cookie, and I've added some inside here as well because this paper has a little round circle cookie, and this pretzel is from my stash. And also this cookie mix comes with a shaped square cookie in a large size and a smaller size, so I didn't add it in here, but yeah, so that's what's included. And I've added these really cool charms to match with the paper, and it's just so neat. You can add many different things. It doesn't have to be food, but food wise, it can even, it looks like a chip bag, and I thought that was like really cool. And this candy one, oh my goodness, this gummy bear candy bag, I'm just like obsessed with gummy bears, and so I have all these like gummy bear resin and these little fuzzy gummy bears, and I'm like, yes, I can finally use some of my like resin pieces. And yeah, and this paper collection is like from I believe American Crafts. I'm sorry if I pronounce the designer's name wrong. It's, I think, Shamel, that's her name. And so this gummy bears is sugar coated, and it's like so cool in there. And I have these two foams that are like 3 mm to 4 mm, I don't remember, and I layered it twice in order to add these really thick resin pieces in here. And it's just so adorable with this like gummy bear ribbon that I've got a long time ago. So yeah, this is really cool. And I'll just put all the links to where you can get all these dies, and also the paper collections. And we have finally this vintage clock shaker. I'm just obsessed with this vintage clock shaker. It has 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and large. And I've used the Premium Marketing paper collection. This bow is coming from my stash. And so, yeah, the small one is like super duper cute. Look how cute the small one is. And you can even add a chain through this hole. And it's really neat, like this like vintage chain. I think it'll look great, or a gold chain. It'll look so cool with this. And yeah, you can hang it up anywhere, or just like this is fine. You can add photos in there. And it's just, this paper collection is Return to Wonderland, Premium Marketing, Three Tails Girls. Return to Wonderland is the name of this paper collection. And then here's the medium size one, and I've added this here, which is included with the set. The vintage clock shaker set is so cool. It probably could fit here, but it'll be like all the way to the end maybe. And it could also fit in this larger one, and it's only this one size that we have. And yeah, and it's like so cool. It has this little like twisty little knob here. It's just like so much detail in here. It's really cool. These flowers are coming from the flower number 2, the like the middle part of the flower. I think it's like out of stock, but you can hit the button that's like saying to notify you if it becomes available. And so yeah, so this is the small, the medium size one. And then finally we have this larger size one. It's just like so cool. Love this. And the back looks like that. So yeah, so these are my project shares. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll put all the links and my discount code PRESTREMIC10 for 10% off your entire purchase down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!